Hello everybody! Now it's time to cook something in the microwave. Hey? Now, this show has no canned laughter. So when I make a joke, there's not gonna be a ha 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 ha. There's only gonna be me talking shit. Now let's get some microwave cooking ready. Go noodles! Let's do it. Now you open it up. You peel this. And you peel it. And now you take this. This is flavor, curry flavor. You put it in there. Okay. You read the instructions. You gotta read the instructions to know how to do it. Now, fill line for noodle. Soup, fill line for noodle. Snack, different lines. So you fill at the bottom for a snack, or for or you fill it even more for soup. I just want snack, so I'm just going to fill it for a little bit. Oh, kettle off, not kettle on. Kettle on, yeah. Now let's just wait for it. Now. Oh yeah! Now let's get this sorted out now. Oh. There you go. Now, there it is, noodles. Oh yeah. Now let's just look. Oh, and put the flavour in first. Okay. That says so. So we have to do what that thing says. So we have to obey the noodle. Oh, obey the noodle, obey the noodle. Oh, worship the noodle. Noodle. Anyways, let's put flavour in God Noodle. Yeah, you like that? You like God Noodle? Oh, oh, yeah. I know. Oh, okay. You put it in like this, like so. Well, the noodle is dry. You see that? Yeah. And you shake it. Oh yeah. And now what you do is put the water in it. What I'm going to do is put boiling water in. Oh wait. Yeah. No need to microwave this. Or should be. Let's put cold water in it then. Yeah. Now open this back up again. Okay, I made a mistake. I put the kettle on for nothing. Oh. 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 I'm so stupid to have to do that 3 fucking times. Ooh, ooh. Put it in here. Okay. Now put it on for how many minutes? Let me see. For 2-3 minutes. We put on to 2 minutes. Okay. Put it in the middle right here. Yeah, that's there. That's God Noodle gonna get cooked. Now one more wash up to God Noodle. Oh God Noodle. Oh God Noodle. Wash up God Noodle. God Noodle. He's going to be cooked for us and this is good fun. Oh, now for 2 minutes. No, let's wait. Oh yeah. That's God Noodle cooked now. Yes, he was cooked for us since. Ooh. Now, look at this. Ooh. How is it wonderful? Is it wonderful? Is it wonderful? How is it wonderful? Is it good? Yes, I would think so. Now you take it out. I was don't spill it. I was supposed to leave it here for 1 minute, but I'm just taking it out this instant. Okay. 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 What is it I don't spill it? Because that's hot. And if it spills, my feet is down there and I might, you know, boil my fucking feet. And I might end up having my feet for fucking lunch. And I'm not a cannibal. You know, is this gonna start the time? Oh, nice. Oh, oh yeah, it's so lovely. Oh, once I don't tip it over and spill it. Hungry. Oh, that was so. No spoons. It'll go over there. That's God Noodle cooked for sins. So that's God Noodle. How lovely is God Noodle? Look at it. Look at God Noodle. Look at God Noodle. Look, God Noodle's good, isn't it? And that's for today, everybody. Join us next time for more cooking. And this is the last time God Noodle's gonna get cooked. It's already cooked. And remember, it's for our sins it was cooked, okay? It was for our sins. God Noodle. God Noodle. But it's God Noodle.